In this video right here, I will be showing you how you can turn 1,000 to 5,000 naira daily with this very platform. Now, there are diverse ways to make money online right now in the internet, but one of the easiest and simplest way is performing simple tasks you do every day on social media, right? But in this video, I'll be sharing with you a very unique platform where you can make at least 5,000 naira daily by just performing simple tasks online. Now, this platform is amazing. They pay their freelancers daily, and I'm going to be sharing the proof to you, right? So without wasting much of your time, I will take you to my screen right now, sharing every single strategy on how you can turn 1,000 to 5,000 naira using this platform. But before we jump right into this video, my name is Noma Evans, and in this very channel, I share videos around ways you can make money online, ways you can increase your productivity, related tech videos, and how you can build a business on the internet. Now, if you are new here in this channel and you are seeing me for the first time, you are welcome home. Kindly go down there, subscribe right now, and turn all bell notification so you will never miss out from my weekly premium videos every single week. And as you are doing that, give this video a like. Thanks in advance. Now, with all this said and with all this done, let's jump into my screen right now as I share this amazing platform and how you can make money using this strategy. So let's go. So guys, right here in this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn your 1,000 naira into 5,000 naira every single day using this very platform. Right now, this is one of the easiest way you can dream about to make money online right now in the internet. Now, if you want to make your first 5k right now in the internet using this platform, I'm going to be teaching you and showing you how you can turn your 1,000 to 5,000 using this platform by doing simple tasks online. Right now, this platform is called Freebyz. All right, Freebyz is a very popular platform. You can make money online by doing simple social media tasks. Right now, this platform is called Freebyz. As you can see, Freebyz was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. This is how the platform works. Right, you sign up, you earn and cash out, and you hire workers. Right now, Freebyz have over 14,500 available jobs right now you can do right now, and you can start making money from right now. And they have over 41,890 users, and they have completed over 34,791 jobs, as you can see right here. And these are proofs of people withdrawing their amount on Freebyz. This person right now just withdraw 4,750, as you can see, cash withdrawal 4,750. Someone just withdraw 475 naira. So that means you can withdraw as low as 500, 1,000, 2,000 from this platform, as long as you are following simple instructions on this very platform. These are the frequently asked questions about the platform. How do I start Freebyz? How can I withdraw my money? How do I withdraw in dollars? Because this platform also works for people outside Nigeria. So if you're from Nigeria or other countries outside Nigeria or Africa, you can easily make use of this platform and you can make money in dollars and withdraw it into your local bank account. So you don't have any worries about that. These are the frequently asked questions. You can just take your time and go through all of them and have access to them. And these are what people are saying about this platform. To tell you, these are the reviews about what people are saying about this platform, and it's really paying everybody right now. So I will need you to jump into this platform and start making money right now. Right, so the first thing is to register an account with them. You click on register right here and you register a free account with them. So to register an account with them, you just need your full name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. Then you can select your country from here. As you can see, these are the country this platform supports. And if you are from anywhere in the world, you can come to this platform and you can start making money. Now, this is not limited to your country or to where you are from. So whatever country you are, you can start making money with this platform. How do you hear about Freebyz? All right, just put YouTube there. Put YouTube and you click on agree and you click on register. Right, once you click on register, your account is going to be created. So once you sign up an account with them, you're going to be coming to this very dashboard, and I'm going to be verifying this account in your presence right now. Right, as you can see, complete simple jobs today and get paid. Now, this is the main menu of this platform. As you can see, this is just the walkthrough of the platform. This is where you have stock funds, your jobs, where you can post campaign, your wallet. As you can see, I have over 2,000 naira right here, your referral, your badge, your currency converter in case you are from other country, you are from US, Canada, Ghana, or Cameroon. And this is your transaction list and how to approve jobs in case you want to come here and post jobs. And this is how to complete tasks, and you can talk to them and you can communicate to them if you want to communicate to them. These are available jobs on this very platform. This is the YouTube view jobs, Instagram jobs, a WhatsApp job, subscribe to YouTube channel. All right, all these jobs right here, it won't take you more than 30 seconds to do. Right, these are normal jobs. Like, just go ahead, just like YouTube videos, subscribe to YouTube channels, like a Facebook post, like an Instagram post, just like, comment. These are jobs these are normal things you do on social media, like normal things you do on social media, wasting your data to do on social media without getting paid. Instead of you are using data, wasting data to do these things. But using this platform right here, you can be using this platform to make money doing those normal things you do. Instead of wasting your money, wasting your data, you'll be using those stuff to make money online. Okay. So if you scroll down, these are hundreds of jobs you can do on this platform right now, and you can make money from, right? And these are jobs you can make money from right now. And these jobs ranges from naira to dollars. This right here is the jobs on dollar rate, as you can see, 0.094 cents, right? Jobs on dollar rate and jobs on naira rate. These are hundreds of jobs you can do right now, and you can make money from. Spending 1 hour on this platform, you can make up to 2,000 naira right now, just by watching this video, right? This is an app sign up, you earn 100 naira. This is also an app sign up right now, you earn 100 naira. Imagine doing 10 of these jobs right now, that is just 1,000, and these jobs won't take you more than 20 minutes or 10 minutes to do, right? So if you want to verify your account, you just scroll down. As you can see, get access to more jobs. Only verified users can have unlimited access to jobs. Now imagine doing 10 of 100 naira jobs. That would be the easiest 1,000 you will make. Imagine doing 20 of 200 naira jobs. That would be the easiest 4,000 you will make. Now if you are a verified user, you get access to much more jobs and higher pay. That is super amazing. So I will take you to my phone screen right now, showing you how you can verify your account with just 1,000 naira. Many watching this video right now are basically using their phone to watch this video. I want to make this easy for you so that you will not have any stress verifying your account. So we go to my mobile phone right now. I'll be showing you how you can verify your account and basically how you can perform your jobs on this very platform. So guys, welcome back to the mobile. Right now, this is the interface of the phone, and this is what you will see when you are using your mobile phone, right? So I'm going to be showing you right now how you can perform simple tasks on this platform, and also how you can get your account verified using the simple process I'm going to be showing you in this very platform. So once you click on the first link in the description of this video, you're going to be landing in this very place, right? Once you land there, you sign up an account and you get started, right? Now this is how you can perform tasks on this very platform. So I'm going to look for a job we want to do right here. Now let's assume you want to do this YouTube job, which is subscribe to a channel, right? As you can see, this is a summary of the job: campaign, YouTube job, and the campaign category is subscribe to a channel. Right? It says please note that this job must be approved before payment. We will automatically approve it if it is not approved by poster after 24 hours, right? Campaign description, this is the campaign description right here. And subscribe and send me screenshot. That's just the instruction. Campaign instruction, screenshot showing subscribe. That's what they want us to do, right? Click on this link, subscribe to the channel, screenshot it. Let the screenshot be showing that you subscribe already to the channel. Then you are going to send the proof of the screenshot in this very place when they are saying post proof of completion. So let's carry out the job right now. We click on this link and it's going to direct us to YouTube. Now the simple instructions right here is to subscribe to the channel, right? So once we are here, we click on subscribe. As you can see, it's showing subscribe right now. We are going to screenshot this right now. We screenshot it. We are going to save the screenshot. I'm going to save it, right? Just save it. Then I'll come back to my account. Then I'm going to post the completion right here. Just come over to this choose file. Click on choose file. I'm going to go to download. So we're going to upload it right here. As you can see, it's already uploaded right here. So I'm going to type done. Just type, you're going to type job done. As you can see, just click on job done. Click on submit. We just submit our job right now. Now this job will basically take you nothing less than 20 seconds to do. The reason it's taking long here is because I'm showing you practically on a video. So this will not take you 20 seconds to do. Now let's move to the main part right now, which is the most important part right now, which is approving and verifying your account. Now without you don't verify your account, you won't be able to have access to the full features of this platform, which gives you more access to more jobs and more high paying jobs and great amazing features, which also give you an opportunity to partner with them. So let's go over to verify our account right now. To verify your account, scroll down to the bottom part of this very platform. As you can see, get access to more jobs. Only verified users have unlimited access to job. Click on get verified. As you can see, if you get verified today, you will get access to all the following at no extra cost. No extra cost, guys. Lifetime access to jobs. All right, you will get access to unlimited access. You will get unlimited access to available jobs, including premium ones. These are high-paying premium jobs. All right, hire workers. You will have unlimited access to hire workers to promote jobs. Unlimited withdrawals. Access to withdraw all your earnings and other juicy offers coming up. All right, coming up shortly. Bank transfer. And the first thing to do is to fund your wallet before you can verify your account. All right, to fund the wallet, you click on this very place right now. On this, click here right now, and it's going to take you to a separate page where you can fund your wallet. If you already found your wallet, you can just upgrade right here using your card, and you can upgrade right here using your wallet balance if you already found your wallet. Now I already have 2000 naira on my wallet balance, of which I've already funded. But if you want to fund your wallet, this is how you can do it. Put in the amount you want to fund. Let's say you want to fund 2000, or let's say you want to fund 1000 naira. Click on 1000. As you can see, you can now fund your wallet via card, bank transfer. Verification fee is 1050 naira. Click on fund wallet. Now you can fund your wallet via your card, or you can come ahead right here to change payment method. Just input your card details. As you can see, these are my card details right here. So I'm going to be verifying my account right here using my wallet balance, right? I'm going to click on verify with wallet balance. As you can see, success, payment successful, right? Just simple as that. So this is how you can verify your account, simple as ABC. Now, if you have issues in verify your account, in funding your wallet, reach out to me and I'm going to walk you through on how you can fund your wallet. You can drop your comment in the comment section, or you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll be leaving the link down in the description, and I'm going to be showing you how you can verify your account and how you can fund your wallet. So this is how you can verify your account, and this is how you can make money from this very platform. Now with 1000 naira, guys, you can make more than 5000 from this platform every single week or every single day. All right, if you are consistent and if you are diligent on this platform, right? Guys, if you have any questions or you have any issues, any challenges in verifying your account or funding your wallet, reach out to me in the comment section. And I've also created a Telegram community for all my subscribers, where I show them more ways and more premium ways to make money, and where they get first-hand information about this very channel, and where they have access to connect with me personally. Click on the first link in the description of this video to register an account with them, right? I will leave in the link in the description to register with this platform. Click on the first link, register right here, and start making money. With that said, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now. So guys, this is how you can use this platform to make 5k daily with this platform. Now, if you are very dedicated and diligent with this platform, and you can spend between 30 minutes to 2 hours every single day in this platform, you could be making more than 5k doing simple tasks and even partnering with them. Now apply everything I share with you in this video, and you're going to be seeing results. Now this is one of the easiest and simplest way you could ever imagine you could make money online using the internet. Go down there right now, click on the first link and try this out and start making money right now. And you can also share this video to someone you know to be helpful to them. Now with that said, don't forget to smash that like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe if you have not done so. Subscription is free, you're not paying any single dime for it. So go down there right now, subscribe and turn on bell notification so that you can join the community. Now with that said, if you want to learn more ways you can start a business online, I have created a playlist showing you several ways you can start a business right here in the internet. Now if you click on this place right now, you'll be accessing the videos I put together on how you can start a business and diverse ways you can make money using the internet. Now with all this said, I'll see you in this very playlist right now, showing right now. Bye for now.